I play video games live with viewers and fans. So if you want to play a video game with me, go to Dennis Rohde Games, hit that subscribe button, add me on Epic Games, Dennis Rohde. My creator code for Epic Games is Dennis Rohde as well. So if you want to use that for anything, I'd really appreciate Dennis Rohde Games. Hit that subscribe button so you don't miss when I go live and play, and maybe we can play Fortnite together. Come on, man. Let's squad up. Welcome back to another video with How to Prank It Up. I got my hands on the Starbucks cup that was in Game of Thrones. Thumbs up for Game of Thrones. Comment down below what you think is inside the Game of Thrones coffee cup. Was it coffee? Was it something else? Maybe baby dragons? Watch people's reactions as I show them what's inside the Game of Thrones Starbucks cup. It worked.
Seriously?
Come on, I gotta wake you up, right? Put a smile on your face.
No.
Yeah, look at your face though. You just all smiling teeth.
Where'd you get that from?
I made it.
Did you?
Prankkits.com. You can buy one of these and put them in anything. Cereal box for your kids.
I need to get one.
Coffee cup. Yeah, prankkits.com. Go over there, you get one. And if you get one, I could buy my kid a pizza for lunch.
Whoa. Oh, you damn.
There's that.
Oh. Gotcha. Gotcha.
They said that you're filming people when they open up the cup because there's a snake or something in it.
It's not a snitch, it's just a... Still got you.
You did.
That's cute though.
I thought you meant a real snake.
What?
Got you.
What?
Man. Dude, you like that?
Nice.
Yeah, dude.
You totally got me.
Dude, I woke you up.
I thought coffee was like exploding or something. Like, I that was cool. I'm looking at it, I'm like, what the heck is inside of you?
I wanted you to go, ah! Because there's a camera there.
Come out.
What'd you think? You like that?
Who you about to do that to?
You! This is the cup from Game of Thrones. Remember that Game of Thrones? They had that Starbucks cup in there? You don't know?
I mean, I watched the show.
Did you see they had the Starbucks cup in
No,
there
I haven't
yesterday?
I ain't
Oh.
watched the episode. I'm two Sundays behind.
Spoiler alert, you won't see it now because
Oh my God, you messed me up.
HBO took it out though. But it was in there in the scene, like they're up there and then they see the Starbucks cup was sitting
Why
there.
did they take it out?
Because it's not supposed to be there. It's Game of Thrones and Starbucks over there. They got dragons, but no Starbucks.
Okay. We don't have dragons here.
So they should have kept it in?
Yeah. Oh. I should have known. I should have known it.
Someone...
You got it.
I don't know. I mean, I can't be that old.
That's cute.
Man, he's a pro. He's like a wall. He's like, I've seen everything. That's not going to make me jump.
Now, if they had a head and teeth like that, I probably would have shot.
Oh.
That's pretty good. I knew you was up to something.
She's still catching her breath. That was a good one. Make him smile. Make him smile. Let's go. What's up, man? How are you doing? Smiling. See, he's smiling too right now. I just can't even help
I know
it.
who you are.
Oh, what's up, dude?
Picture?
Sure. Yeah, I thought you'd have a bigger reaction. That girl was kind of like super mellow.
Yeah, she was very good.
She's like, where's your leash? Hey, come here. You think he doesn't have a leash though. I don't know where to take him. Come here. Come here. Come on. Do we have any food? Yes. I threw that bag away. I'm sure he's probably somebody's dog here. I don't see a leash on or a collar. Not really. I wouldn't want to take him to pound. That'd be like a death sentence, like taking somebody to death row.
Oh, it sounds like there's more dogs inside.
Yeah, it's probably somebody here. I don't see a leash. I mean, if he had a collar on, I was going to call the person. Deliver the dog. Save the people.
Doing the good deed for the day.